before this game, Stellenbosch stand a good chance to correct what happened last year, because they still feel robbed on how the match officials handled the MTN 8 final last year. Irregardless of how Pirates played that game, but they still feel like if the game was handled better or correctly, maybe they should have won that game. But we don't know. So that is why I'm saying that playing a final again with the same team that you lost 3-1 against last season, coming in now, you want to correct first what happened, and you want to make a mark as to whatever happened, it will not happen again. We will come here, we will show up, and we will win this game, because we stand a good chance, same as you, to play our style and to win this game. And they both were not playing in their stadiums, so no team has an advantage of playing in a home ground. Seeing how they both played the first half, they tried by all means to close the possible gaps so that they don't get exposed, and to allow other team to take shot on targets that are dangerous and end up getting a score. You saw the combination of Titus, Mojela, Barnes, De Jong up front. They managed to enter the box. They were causing the threat in the last third, and it was so promising that Stellenbosch would score. And I was so hoping to see Pili coming in early so that he can show the speed and come up with goals, because he can score, he can dribble, he has the speed, he has the shot on target, he has the target. So I was expecting him to be introduced early or to start the game. But yes, the players were so influential there, and they were promising to score. But also Orlando Pirates in their last third, they played so well. The combination of Mbata and Nduli linking up with Mbule, Mbule finding Mahopa there, and Sibelebele and Mofikeng, that was a nice combination. And Mofikeng, I feel like Mofikeng was so influential in this game. He played so well, and putting in players that they know how to play the final, they have the hunger to make a mark as to we are the only team that deserve to win this cup, and we will defend this cup, and we will win convincingly. Checking the bench of Orlando Pirates, you see a danger, because in the past games they played, we saw them, everyone who get introduced come in and influence the game. So I always had the fear that whoever is going to be given a chance to come in is going to make a threat, is going to come up with goals, and is going to make Orlando Pirates play much better. And that is what they did. because introducing all the players that come in and influence the game, Apolis, Tsepang, Mabasa, they made Pirates to be a much better team. Stellenbosch had not so much players that they can come in and influence the game. Nku and Pili, yes, they come in and they had some moments, but it was too late. And I was expecting goals in the 90 minutes because of how they both play. They both had speed and they can take a shot on target. So I was expecting both to score in the 90 minutes. But also, they know how to play each other. They know how to close some potential gaps. Yes, Steve Barker is facing Abdul Salam now for the first time in the final, as he was used to play with Jose Vell. So it's a different coach against Steve Barker, but it's the same team with some introduction of new players, but the same hunger in the team of Orlando Pirates that says that we want to win this game again. So that is why it was a little bit difficult on the side of Steve Barker, even though he still had a good chance to come up with a good team and manage this game better in the extra time, because Stellenbosch were easily exposed in extra time. And I blame how Moloisane defended there. The centrals of Stellenbosch were easily exposed, and well done to Apolis, how Apolis played, how Apolis managed to destroy them and find the pockets, and the finishing of Tsepang, that was amazing. Orlando Pirates yet again made the mark as to they deserve to win this cup, and convincingly. Congratulations to them, and hard luck to Steve Barker and Stellenbosch for losing again against the same Orlando Pirates that they've lost against last year. Congratulations, Mapagapaka.